get the webcam, I guess. 3, 2, 1. Oh, good, it's black. That's good. Why is the webcam black? Oh, that's good. Come on, you fucking webcam. Bitch. Fuck! Oh, fuck it, I guess. No webcam. I'm still recording. There's like 2 minutes worth of audio on my phone just used up, I guess. So, guys, we're gonna be playing some bullshit. Where's the start button? Oh, okay. There it is. This game really did get, like, updated a lot. This is only just a demo. And I'm kind of upset he didn't, like, put updates up for it. This looks way better than this. Right now, a car crashed. And my face is now blinded. I don't know, she's like fucking around with the radio. And all I hear is Jeff, are you okay? I can feel my leg. Don't worry, Jeff, I'll go get help. The worst headache ever. Probably because you smashed your face against the steering wheel. It's good, dark bro. Good flashlight, trunk. Oh, goddamn it. I don't want to play this fucking game, man. It's stupid. What's wonky ass walking? No. Let's get out of here. Fuck. Just kidding. We fucking gay. Yes. Ah, that sound effect is so fucking stupid. Yeah. This is stupid. I hate this camera. Let's do this. Okay, sensitivity's fucking. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. She has the most douchebag looking face I've ever seen too. This is like the stupidest thing ever. We're in the middle of absolute fucking nowhere. The path to this house, by the way, is the most ridiculous path you'll ever see. And she's like, huh, maybe there's help there. And then you go up to the house, and it's like, obviously an abandoned warehouse. Like, look at this. It's like, yeah, people walk here all the time, right? This isn't even, like, the worst part. This isn't even the worst part. Are you crazy? I'm trying to think, what was that? And then, it gets a little worse. I'm gonna make sure I'm recording, what the hell? Game shit real quick. Make sure I'm recording you. Oh, apparently I wasn't recording game audio or anything at all. Oh, why do I hear myself? What?
Crazy! Are you out of your mind?
I hate you.
Are you crazy?
Are you out of your mind? Wait, talk?
What?
Okay.
Wait, whenever I turn on my stereo mix, did you hear yourself?
For a second, I was like, what the hell? I just better be recording. Oh.
Are you crazy?
This guy up there. What's he doing? Oh. He's like, fuck this place. He's like a time traveler. He's like, what the fuck? This place looks as shit. Fuck that. Look at this. I'm literally about to think this is a good idea to go in this building. Like, yeah, no. I don't want to fucking go in. Fine, stop at the bell! Stop! Jesus!
Are you crazy?
Yeah, it's sealed, isn't it? This door is sealed shut with what, glue?
Are you crazy?
Stop, okay? Stop. It scared me that time. Stop!
I can't open it.
This is gonna be so bad! The atmosphere is so crazy in this building, I don't even like it. I don't want to play. Fucking. Who smacked the wall? I don't know why! I don't want to play it! I don't.
What a creepy building.
Fuck. Oh, good. Lock the door, yeah. Because this was a fucking genius idea. Oh, look at this bitch. Looks like help could be in here. Maybe, yeah.
I don't want to look at this anymore.
You don't want to look at it! I don't even want to play it! I'm serious. This is where my heart drops, dude. I'm just walking around in here is so bad. It brings back Blair Witch memories as a kid. Like watching the movie and wanting to die. Hey, key. Wasn't a key here last time. Looks like a key. So, what was it? Blue? What the fuck was that? Oh, okay. Yeah, I read that. It's like, oh, can't push me. Hey, can't push me. 1982. Yeah. God fucking damn. I can't play. I don't want to play. I don't want to play.
Are you good?
I don't want to play! Oh my god, I don't want to play this. Why? It's so stupid looking. I'm legit freaking out. This is the furthest I made it. Last time I played.
Oh god.
Stop! Shut up! Shut up. Fucking.
I'm gonna stay quiet now.
If I die, I'm gonna give us 3 fucking tries. Oh no! The sugar tunnel. God damn it. I don't wanna go to the sugar tunnel. What the fuck is that? That's a skull. Oh my god. Do I have to? Do I have to play? Do I have to play? Can I just cancel this? I'm seriously genuine scared right now. Oh my fucking god. What did Penguin Zio have to say about this game?
He wasn't afraid.
Yeah. I'm like,
For some reason.
I'm just waiting for some asshole to scream at me. I'm just gonna turn that down a bit. I think I'm gonna turn it down just a bit.
No, turn it up.
No!
You keep it up right now, mister.
42.
No.
What's that?
69 right now.
No, fucking run. This part you gotta run, I think. Oh god. Oh god. Where am I at? Okay, I'm dead. Why? He was in my face! Look this shit!
Are you crazy?
Unplug my headset. Okay. Oh, play this. Okay. It's just. Oh wow. I think. I need to collect keys, but I think it just took away the fucking key.
Are you crazy?
Oh my fucking god! I hate this game. Fucking noises. My mom is screaming for me. Shut up! Okay. Yeah. Key. What color is it? You go. Yeah. Noises. Fucking hell. By the way, can I just say, he sounded like he was to the left of me, so I took off running up the straight hallway, and he cuts right in front of my face. Oh fuck. I thought I was dead.
Does they come randomly?
I don't know. Where am I? Am I lost? Did they change? Did this change? Shut up.
GIF.
Oh god. Fucking.
I think that's where you activate them.
Where?
Just run. I would start running as
Shut
soon
up!
as you go down that hallway. I'm just saying. I would. Don't go that same route you did before. He was right there last time. He was right there.
Shut.
Oh god, I don't. Better set up
Shut
for
up!
this shit.
What the fuck was that? Oh no. Am I dead? Turn it off.
Through the corner peeking.
There's something there. Oh, well. Did I see him? I don't know. fucked, dude. This is fucked.
Man, it is set up for this shit.
I'm back here? Oh no! I ain't going
Yeah,
to.
it is set up for this shit. Did Markiplier ever beat this?
No.
Was it
Oh
too-
god.
That doesn't look very heartwarming.
Sugar tunnel.
Oh, that looks like where they got raped and fucking killed
Oh,
in
God.
there.
Oh, no.
I wonder how people got in there just to spray paint it. To be honest. Are you crazy? I'm not.
So bad. One more time. Oh, I'm going to space. Oh, there's a shiny. Where was it? There. Pick it up.
Oh, the quarter dropped on my ball. One of my nuts.
You know what? Just make everything about you. I'm out here fucking dying and shit. Quarter drop on your balls is the worst thing ever happened.
Yo, fuck you. How about that one?
Man, I don't like this shit. What the hell? What was that? What was
Was
that?
that boobies?
I don't know what that was.
Was that boobies? Okay, you might need to censor that out, but
This is not okay.
Ooh.
Shut up. There's like random screams, like wee, and then I take off running. Cause I don't know what they are.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
It's a locked metal door. I feel like I'm being watched here. Oh, calm the fuck in my face. I'm Light on. Oh my god. I can't play this game. I suck so much at it.
Are you crazy?
You wanna try it now?
Tomorrow I will.
Tomorrow? No, you try it today, then uploading it the next day.
Ooh, no.
Yeah, while you're here, you're doing it.
No.
I just hate the footsteps running up on me and then just fucking screaming. It's terrible. Oh my god, I think one more go. You think he hears you? Oh god.
So I feel like. What the hell is the point of this game? It can just kill you. How are you supposed to beat this game? Have you went upstairs yet?
No. I think it's just the version.
What
The controls are so stupid. Oh my god, I'm done. I think I'm done. If I hear footstep, I'm just pausing it, and I'm done. I'm done. Oh Jesus. What the hell is that? Was that an upside down cross? Good. He's a fucking Satanist. Piece of shit.
Dude, I don't want to play this, man. I didn't set up for this shit. I didn't know what we were playing. I thought we were gonna play something that is creepy. Are you crazy?
I'm just doing fucking circles now. I'm dead. We'll stand right here. I quit. Can I quit now?
No. Gotta go until you die or you win.
No.
Yeah.
I haven't found one key, man. One fucking key. I need like the whole fucking rainbow here to open up a door. I've seen that. There's like a stupid ass fucking door.
Dude, I don't like this.
Alright? I want to kill myself right now. It's just...
Like, this doesn't even look half good. This doesn't even look fun to play.
Fuck.
Why don't you go down to Candy Town?
I ain't going down there. I think I quit. Because I can't do it. I can't do it, Eric.
I don't like this. I don't like this area. This is the area I don't like.
Okay, that's enough. It's enough for you do.
Hey, I'll do it tomorrow night. Promise.
What?
I'll do it tomorrow night.
No, you're doing it now.
No, I'm not.
You're doing it now. You signed the contract. You said you're doing
I didn't say shit.
You're doing it. Thanks, guys, so much for watching.
No,
Eric
man,
still be playing
no,
this
fool.
now. And check out the next one coming up. Goodbye.